installation of Hollowcore slabs. If you haven't watched the earlier video, please do watch that. There I'm showing you the installation of precast panels. Now on those same panels, these Hollowcore slabs are being installed. So the Hollowcore slabs are lifted from the trailer using a belt. You have different lifting methods, but this one is particularly using a belt. You then bring it and place it in the notch within the panel. And either have notches, you have corbels, you have steel corbel as well, where you can install these Hollowcore slabs. That all depends on the structural design, but it's a very simple design. And for people who think that, oh, these have gaps, how do you close them? There is a 60 mm screed or 75 mm screed that is applied over this Hollowcore slab, which acts as a topping, a structural topping. And you can apply any waterproofing method that is normally used in any type of construction. If you are somebody serious about starting a precast factory, you should visit the Precast Summit in Goa, the link of which is in the bio. If you do not want to attend that, let us know what you want us to answer in the comment section below, and we'll try our best to answer every question in a video or in the comment section itself.